kapit po tayo dito na. Sarimo.
Hi!
Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1. Mabuhay Himo Love Philippines. We welcome you to the formal ceremonial gathering of the new board. Okay, may we ask our guests to be here at the center. So, may we have a word from Sir Hanif.
Okay, good morning everyone, and thank you so much, Honorable Mayor. Once again, you're welcome here. I hope you saw a difference here. He was here on March 9th. He was here March 9th, there was nothing. But now we remove all the dust. And now we are now ready to welcome all the patients. In behalf of the Honorable Mayor, I would like to thank you once again, and all the barangays who really cooperate with us and send all the patients here. Without your cooperation, we are zero. With your cooperation, we are 100%. And today we only have we were not expecting the patients to be there at 5 a.m. in the morning. Really? I came here at 5:30 in the morning. 5 a.m. When I came here at 5:30 according to Jay, bakit dito ka mas mabilis dito? Sabi ko, come here and see the patient. I found so many patients waiting for us. Thanks to all of our staff. Thanks to all our volunteers. Without their help, I cannot do it. Really, very, very thankful to you. Dr. Abbas, can you please come here?
Thank you.
Without her cooperation, we don't have any medicine. Because of her, we have a lot of medicine, and those medicines we are giving the people free of cost. Today we have a very special program. All the patients are availing 50% discount on our regular prices. So for example, if the ultrasound is 1,000 pesos, they will just pay 500. If the health X-ray is 300 pesos, they will pay 200. And this is continuing. We will be extending this promotion tomorrow. And if we have more support, definitely, especially all barangays side, and definitely the municipal side. So if you once again, all of you, please, whenever you have patients, for example, okay, so just write it down that you need some assistance. For example, 10% discount. So on a regular prices, we'll give you 10%. Today, come here. Here, I want to introduce her. She came to me and want to introduce her.
Salamat po.
Bakit salamat po?
Before salamat po.
Kasi po, nakalibre ako. Sobra libre ako.
Traveling ako sa pera. Ano mga test ang rin naman? We are here for business, not for business. Yes. Business plus because you see, all the people here they have the right to live in this world. Correct? They are all here by VIP. Each and everybody will be here without these patients. Again, with the help of these patients, I'm again only 100%. Because if they don't come here, how we are going to serve the patients? Correct? So with this one, I would like to thank once again all of the patients who come here 5 in the morning. 5:30 in the morning and until now you are here. Okay? So now I would like to hand over to our very lovable, very handsome, very gorgeous man.
Thank you, Sarni. Maraming salamat. Thank you for our officials of the Himulaw. And naalala ko, nung tayo man nandito, mainit, madilim, there's a lot of dust, and now there's dust of gold. So, all I can see is full of service, with a smile for our kababayan here in Taytay. So I'd like to recognize, of course, pasensya na po kayo, we're from the Independence Day celebration, that's why we look like this. But if you wish to, we can have it every day. Here with me is Councilor G.V. Cabitat, Councilor Joan Calderon, Councilor Elaine Leonardo, Councilor Paco Cruz, our councilors to be, Tak Faildon, Ralph Valera, and Tico Esquera. And of course, the barangay captain of this barangay, Barangay Sanuan, Kapitan Russell Valera. And all of the barangays who help us for this launching. At sa lahat po ng mga programa na ibibigay nila, we are very much thankful for that service. Tama naman. They're here for business and also for the social responsibility for our Taytayeños. At malaking bagay ito sa ating partnership. Because sometimes, like this one, there's a patient that didn't free, but we can ask for this so they can have sustainable negosyo naman. They can give this, but not always free. So we can prepare para po pagkatulungan ng negosyo. Dahil within your business, there's always new job opportunities po para sa ating mga kababayan. That's why we're very, very much thankful. So sa ating mga kuya na nandyan, nalubo, ating mga kaigan sa East Manila, thank you very much po. Welcome sa bayan ng Taytay. And again, sa Himulaw family, so maraming salamat po. Very much grateful and really thankful that you're here in Taytay. God bless. And let's smile always. Smile, Taytay.
I just would like to add one thing which I forget. Just remember now. This is the first medical mission, and this is not the end. We are going to do a second medical mission again on the first Sunday of the December. Para malapit sa another one thing which I am planning, I already started planning. The start of the planning is this one, that the first 100 patients who will be registered here, they will get one sack of rice. So I am now announcing now. And I already start to prepare on it. I started the front. I know December is now, and again, I would like to ask our corporate secretary, Dr. Amedo Jinpas, for the say what I think so far.
Our patients, thank you for your trust and for having. Marami kasi kami mga gamot yan na libre na nahingi ko sa mga ko. So, kung hindi namin maibibigay lahat ngayon kasi ang ginagawa po namin, nagbibigay kami ng dito. Initial yung gagamitin for about 5 to 10 days. Tapos pag may natitira pa, pag nag-follow up kayo, ibigay pa rin kayo dito. So, thank you very much for coming and thank you for the support. Mayor, we hope you will continue the energy in helping this. So, bali kumbaga, I'm from National Kidney and Transplant Institute, so I'm extending the service of NKI here. So, kung ano man yung kulang dito, pwede kayo pumunta sa NKI, you can use my number. Kahit service ba siya? Thank you very much.
Mayor, would you like to word now?
Yes, of course.
So let's start it on that side.
Okay.
And then go on the other side.
Okay. Follow the leader.
Yeah, they will be doing the running tour of the house. Okay. Yeah. Sister Hanif na po ang tour guide. Thank you po.
Dapat pala tinawagan kayo para Mami, nasa bahay? No.
Encourage them.
So my plan is to invite the school children in the family. The nursing also.
So, you know, actually,
Hindi natin na-coordinate kasi kung alam hindi nga alam nila
Because we are not, when the leaders come, you know what they said? I was very surprised. They said, we visited 2,000 clinics and hospitals, and we never saw it like this.
like this one.
And then they said that we still apply for a primary, not this apply now for the secondary. And they said that we'll be
Pwede
the
ko
one.
mag-coordinate para sa mga sasabi ko. Because we have this coordinating offices in barangay. Ayun na, we have a tie-up kung mag-office lang po. Para pwede ka tumawag sa coordinator. Thank you.
And we need something to eat.
Okay.
Okay po, let's go.
Yes.
Then this is information.
Yan, ito po ito sa Felix EMF building. Sa may East West, may kapalaran. Tapos kami Jollibee ang town in the Bronx. That's right across, beside BPI. Sa pakit lang kayo.